Okay, class, get ready, yeah. Okay, so turn to your 1.2a. We are doing 1.2a, question 7 now. Okay, 1.2a, question 7. Okay, I have to base it. Get ready. So for you that join online, you're advised to on your webcam so that I can see you. Then easier for me to manage you, yeah? Okay, if not, I can't see you, I can't hear you. Better, okay? Now, okay, right, class? 准备一下哈。And now we look at 这一文你两个 recording 都看了是吧 ？OK 吗？有什么要问我吗？可以吗？你不会的，你可以上来问我的哈。OK。At class, we see number 7。
看了，
嗯，
可以。
可以啊。OK。因为你的 calculator 是 EX 还是 MS 呢？你是用这个的还是 MS？你有 calculator 了吗？
我还没有，我是
Sorry，
用着我的电话，
用普通的啊，用什么的？是 scientific 吗？
我我还没有去买，我是用着我电话来算。
哦，你用电话的啊，OK。你用电话的话呢，你可以先 download 这种，想想，OK。你可以 download 这种的，这种的比较靠近 MS 的 Then 你买的时候，你买这种 EX 啊，不要去买 MS 哈，不要去买 MS。你看我的 calculator，不要去买这个 MS，买 EX。Don't buy this，这个是旧款的啦，这个的不要去买了。MS 看到吗？Don't buy this MS already because this is the old version already。明白了没有啊？买 EX 啊，记起来啊 ，OK？EX。So class，不用紧，你先用电话 ，is OK。Okay, now look at question 7. All the while I say, right, I will teach you with and without calculator. Yeah, because in Form 1, for your Form 1, sometimes the question might ask you not to use calculator. Of course, if you use calculator, direct, you can get the answer right. So 来，大家看这里 ，Yeah， 千妮注意一下你的排式。Okay, actually this one I didn't ask you to do, but I can see you are 你 try 了嘛是吧 ？But 全部都错啊，注意看你的排式一下。是你的吗？上你 try 这题了哈。OK，来。Why I say okay? Just to mention, one of the students I didn't ask, but she tried. It's okay. So I mark, but can be seen that wrong. 你忘记了 you forgotten. I say right. 先乘除后加减。You must do times or divide first. Then only you can go plus or minus 还记得吗？ So for these questions, okay, the mistake is like this. See, class, you must do this part first. So you must do this part. If without calculator, last week I taught you already, -2 times 7. If multiply, 乘法, multiply with the negative, you must have -1, right? Like -2 times 7, what did you get, class? Huh? Sorry, wait, huh? Class, one moment, give me 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for waiting, class. Now we see, 注意看啊 let me explain to you the solution 还是很重要。-2 times 7 is -14. 你看这里 -14. And remember last week I mentioned when these two signs meet together, 这两个在一起的话 meet together what? You change to negative, you remember? If both positive or both negative that meet together 在一起的together 的你才会去加 you change to plus. So 13, this you get -14. Then still remember 我 last week 教你们的了，一个加 1 plus 1 minus 1, you find the difference, right? 是不是找它的 difference? And then 你不要看这个的时候 you don't see the sign here. If you ignore the sign here, let's say you didn't see the sign here. 是不是14比较大 14 bigger, right? So what is the sign of 14 just now? Negative, right? So you follow negative. So the answer is -1 like that. Got it? Understand 吗？So 注意一下okay? This is how you solve. And then you see B, 我解释一下先把 A 抄下来先 copy the A first, then I explain to you the following one. Before I do B, okay, I write down first. I'm going to explain. I mark one of students that making this mistake. 这个 mistake 也是不可以做这个 mistake 来看。来，我用这个来解释一下。I explain this. The mistake not only for just now I mark one of students every year. Well, excuse me. Sorry, okay. So got students that copy like this. 你看啊，他这样做，这样是不可以的。You cannot do like that. You cannot say that, oh, 36 plus 3, 39. 39 then minus 5, 34. 不能。You can't say, 你不能这样写的。You can't write like this. You see, here got no negative 5. Suddenly got, here got negative 5, right? Suddenly missing. Suddenly missing, then suddenly have. 不可以的。所以你错来了，那排式。看到没有 ？If here, 看啊 you do this, you copy this, you also have to copy this. Then this one you add, this one follow to copy down, then only you solve. 明白了没有 ？Again, you can't do like this. For example, 3 times 12 minus 4 times 2 minus 11 or plus 11. You can't say that, okay, 3, 12, 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8, then you say 28. Then you bring this down. Then you say 39. No, the solution is wrong. 还是错了啦。Whatever they have, you must follow to copy. 不可以突然间有，突然间没有 cannot. Got what I mean? Understand, Anna? Yeah? So remember the solution. Don't do this mistake. 来，听我讲啊，等一下。I want you to try without calculator first, then later only you can use calculator for checking. So 听我解释一下。This, you get this answer first. Divide, then you copy, divide, -3. Then only you get the final answer. 明白了没有 ？Got what I mean? Or 这种写法哈，听啊 ，you can copy like this: 2 minus 20, the bracket one, divide -3. You want to write divide -3 or per -3 也可以 both accepted. But don't do both, do one only. 明白了没有 ？Listen first, later when you do, 来看 C. 12 plus 16 divide 4 times -9. 应该做什么先呢 ？Divide. So you show 12 plus what first from here? Times -9. Then 12 plus, okay, you get this times one first. Then only you add. 明白没有？要 show 正确的排式。Understand what I mean? Wait, one more. 先听完先 all of you. -19 minus -5 times 14 divide 2. So, 是要先做括弧的有没有？Okay. -19. But when you see these two that meet one, 还记得吗？ That's why I said these two that meet one, right? 看到没有？你可以先换change. Understand? Always when you see the two that meet, you change first. So you calculate this first. Then 看到乘了吗？ Can you see the multiply one, right? Okay, so you do this first. Then after that, come to the final answer. 明白吗 ？Okay, 来 complete number 7 now. 来 complete number 7. 第一题我做给你了，抄下来。Then you continue B, C, and so on. I'm going to go through one by one. If you still can't understand, you ask me. Okay? 译文如果哪一个步骤不明白，你问我哈。赵翔啊，your paper is here, right? 赵翔。所以等一下 Okay, can I scroll to C? I scroll to C, B, A done, A done, done? A done, okay, I keep on,大香啊，你的 WhatsApp 有这个 set 吗？ If not, I send to your WhatsApp for you because your set is over here. Okay, done. C. Can I go D? Try without calculator first, yeah, class? Because you must know the way of without calculator. Can I go D or still doing? Okay, so I go D, yeah? Christian, why always late? You get the set from there. There. Your paper is over there. Okay, class done or still doing? All of you? Any of you still doing? Julian still doing, right? Okay. 你说完了噻？你呢？All should have done because it's over the time limit already. 不用紧，没有完了再听啊。So, okay, Christian, it's okay. You listen to my explanation first. Later you continue, yeah? Your paper, there. Okay, look at B. What do you have here? 2 minus 20, is it negative 18? Okay. Or if you use this way, you can write negative 18 here. Per negative 3. Divide negative 3. As what I taught you before, for divide 1. Divide and times 1. 记起来啊. When you see divide 1 or times 1, if negative came out 2 times, you get positive. Okay, yeah, because this one we can simplify. 看到吗? So we get 3, 6, 18. Got it, class? 看到没有？除的啊，记得啊 always remember when you come to the divide or multiply. Okay, got it? Yeah, that I mentioned before last week. Okay, can you understand all of you? Next, we look at C. See, now see, 16 divide 4, we get 4, right? And now you see multiply. Just now I mentioned divide or multiply. If negative came out twice, only you got positive. But now negative came out once only, right? Once only, right? So 4 times negative 9, you get negative 36. 那你看到这两个 meet 了没有 ？Just like I said, once this one together one, this together one, you change what? Positive, negative will be negative. Okay, 跟到吗 ？So 12 minus 36, you get negative 24. 记得吗 ？12 minus 36, I taught you a few weeks ago, few lessons already. When you see the sign that different, 不同的符号 sign that different, you find the difference. 它们的差数是24。Okay, but when you just see the number without this, 你看这个号码罢了。Okay, 只单单看这个号码 you know that negative, right? So you follow negative. Got it? Okay, Nana, please do corrections if any of you that have done wrong. Don't just leave it like this, okay? 明白了没有 Can I send all of you for C? Got it? Next, D. Nana, 14 divide 2, that I get 7. 5, 7, 35. 再来一次 Can you see different sign? Different sign, you find the difference. 19 and 35. 19 and 35, what is the difference, class? 多少它的 difference? Yeah, 16. 只单单看这个号码 just see the number, this one, so you follow positive. You didn't write positive, it's okay one. 没有写加 but negative, you didn't write, cannot. You must write with the negative. 看到没有 Okay, negative 一定要写 positive 没有写不用紧的 Can follow all of you? Got it? Now, of course, what class? If you apply with a calculator, let's say you want to apply with a calculator, and you just go direct there, see, 看 13 plus, then you just put a bracket, checking, 这个是 checking 啦 if in objective or what, right? Then times 7. Then you can check negative 1. Got it? When you do the solution in objective, you can direct to your calculator. Can you see what I mean? 好像这题你看 OK prove to you 啊，来再看2 minus 20 2 minus 20 divide negative 3. The negative, you can apply this button. Yeah, you can apply this button. Then 6. 可以吗？知道吗？再来，看啊 I just show you one by one. 12 plus 16. Divide 4, you just follow the bracket will do. Yeah, you apply negative 9 or negative 9. See the answer? Hey, accidentally, I go and put all clear. Sorry, should be equal. 按错啊 12 plus 16 divide 4 times negative 9. Okay, equal negative 24. So just I prove to you. Negative, you can key in this one or this one. Okay 吗？跟到了没有？来 next. Same thing, negative 19, follow 啦 negative 19 很简单罢了啊 minus, follow negative 5 times 14 divide 2. Okay, then you get 16. 16, you want to write plus or without writing the plus, all accepted one. 明白了没有 all of you? Got it? Any question to ask? Ewan okay 吗 Ewan? 可以吗 Okay 呢 可以啊 Okay, next. We go number 8. Just now is plus, minus, times, divide. Now I put a big per. Big per means we do the top and bottom first. 什么意思呢？来看我做啊。Okay. Christian, later you follow this one. 5 plus -1 minus -8 per 7 minus 10。来，先看这个东西 C1。每一次你们注意这个 See？Can you see these two that meet? Once you see these two that together, Christian, pay attention here. Once you see these two that join together one 在一起的连着的 join one, so remember this one always. Okay? 先换 change this first always. Change this. So how? So you make it 5 how? -1 plus 8. Then 7 minus 10, right? Okay, so you can follow to do like what I mentioned already. Means you can find this first, step by step. Find this first, plus 8, and find this one. 明白了没有？一步一步来，不要 shortcut 先啊。Then solve this one, solve this one, per this one, then only get the final answer. Got it what I mean? Okay, wait, one more, listen to me first. CB. -2 minus 8 times -4 divide -14 plus 20。等下我再教你们用 calculator。Okay, class, you see this. 看啊，-2 minus, OK， 你乘这边先，看到吗？8 times -4, you write down here first. Then 这边的你也算出来。Got it? You calculate this one. After that, solve this first. Solve this and copy this, get the final answer. 明白了没有？ Okay, like complete A and B again. Don't try to be fast first, slow. Follow the step one by one first. For the first chapter, you must know the way to solve. 它的步骤很重要。And first chapter is quite long. Quite long. Maybe I need a few weeks to complete chapter 1. Chapter 1, I'll go rather a bit slow. Because this is the first chapter, I try to explain more. Then after that, slowly I leave some homework for you to try. Done, is it? No. Got problem, is it? No, okay. Christian, you just follow lah. 5 minus 1 is what? 7 minus 10 is what? 7 minus 10 is positive 7 minus 10. So remember last week I taught you? When two signs are different, you find the difference one, okay? Yeah? I put this empty space means for you to solve, 赵翔 what happened to you, 赵翔? You keep give me the recording, but I still can't receive a message. You're so busy with the recording, the audio recording. 什么事吗，赵翔？ 你是不是按到 ？Because I see your WhatsApp keep sending the recording, but with nothing. On off 一下，赵翔 because it's keep giving this. 我先给你看一下。I think your phone got problem 啊，赵翔。Maybe you on off. Okay, one more minute. I'm going to explain. Okay, time's up, class. Checking. Just to ask you, what is the answer for A? A 得到什么 Can get -4? Yes, what about B? 5. 能吗 Any of you couldn't get, let me know. 谁做不到 Can get, Which one you couldn't get? B. Both also can get. Okay, let's see here. 5 minus 1? 4. 7 minus 10? -3. 7 minus 10? -3, right? Okay, now. So remember, I said different sign, you find the difference, right? You know the difference? Okay, 差数叫差数吗 Then we follow the sign here, right? Okay, next, we see, 4 plus 8, is it 12? 12 divide -3. Negative came out once. 12 divide 3, you got 4. Okay, got it? So 你看啊 let's say you apply with a calculator 看啊 if you apply with a calculator top part 你不能这样你看some of you might have this mistake see I purposely do one error to show you okay 有些人放这个 per 呢你去放除啦 let's say 除啦除 7 minus 10看到吗 7 minus 10 okay different answer So for you that using this calculator 等下我再说这个一下我要你们注意 不同的地方啊。If you are using this calculator，因为这个呢，这个 calculator 呢没有这个 function 哦。So some of you might going to use this one. 看啊，5 plus -1 minus -8。Okay, use 这个 calculator 的，它没有用除，它用 per。Can you see with the per 啊？Okay, let's say you put with the per，这个是 per 7 minus 10。Also, you can't get the answer. 看到没有 ？Why? Why? If you are using this calculator，用这种 calculator 的人呢 ，you must put the whole bracket here， 全部要放一个 bracket。Meaning of what? If you are using the calculator just now, MS one, here and here you must put bracket. So 我再 show 你们一次啊。OK， 再 show 你们一次，你看啊，这个 bracket 啊 ，same. We apply this also. Follow this bracket. It's okay one. 5 plus small bracket also use the same thing. 来 eyes on my whiteboard please. Minus 在这个 bracket -8. Close the bracket. 你 close the bracket 啊，再来一个这个 bracket. Another this bracket. 看到没有？啊 ，let's say you want to put per or you want to put divide. You put the bracket 7 minus 10. If not, you'll get the wrong answer. Okay? -4 出来了咯，看到吗 ？Without or with bracket， 注意一下。那 so for you that using calculator 啊，你可以来这个 fraction because per what right fraction 啊。So okay, if you are using this fraction one, you no need to put this big bracket 不用，因为它已经在上面了啦。你看啊，5 plus -1 minus -8， 看到没有？来，你去下面呢 ，you go down there。7 minus 10 and okay， 你去你的这个 cursor 来这里 ，come here there you get -4。Got it? So if you are using this calculator MS1, you must put the top the big bracket and here also with the bracket. Got it all of you? Can you understand? Yeah? Okay. So the same thing here at class. Junior, have a look. 8 times 4, can you see the negative here? So you get what? -32. I see here. -14 plus 20, different sign. You find the difference of 6. So you follow this sign, right? Okay, you follow this sign. Okay, can you see these two meet together? So you change, right? -2 plus 32 per 6. Until here, is it okay, Junior? Junior, until this step, is it okay? Yeah, next. 再来看 two signs that different, find the difference. 2 and 32, the difference is it 30? You follow this sign, right? Per 6. 30 per 6, that you get 5. Okay, ma? 30 divide 6, you get 5. Any of you that done wrongly, please do corrections. Or with your calculator, like, try to apply this and see. According to your own calculator that I mentioned just now, you key in your calculator and see whether you can get 5 or not. And if one of you that couldn't get, you let me know. Then tell me which type of calculator that you're using. I'll show you the step. 来，再试试看 with the calculator. That's why I have to teach you with or without calculator. 能吗 ？Can get answer？ 你是 MS 啊 ？EX 啊 ？So for you that not yet, but the calculator one, okay, advise you to buy this calculator more advanced. Okay, more advanced 啊，明白了没有？这个比较多东西，比较多 function。所以英文呢，你可以 screenshot 起来这个啊，记起来了啊。你买这种的 EX，你要看 EX 啊 ，OK。 或者是我 send 去你的 WhatsApp 给你了哈。Thank you，后面给我，谢谢你啊。Thank you。Just a minute 啊，class。Okay, we continue 啊。So 一文我 send 去你的 WhatsApp 了啊。And now we can go 1.2b already. Okay, now class for this time. Junior, okay 吗 ？Junior? Okay 啊。Now, done doing the corrections? Done 啊。Christian, done 啊？Not yet 啊。Okay, so class get ready to 1.2b. 对吗？用 calculator 来吗？对啊，计算到啊。Okay, 1.2b, same thing. Later, I teach you by using calculator also. Yeah. But same thing, you still need to show the solution of how to find the unknown. This one we call it unknown. Wait for a while, class, got students that not yet finished. Done? Junior, done? Done, huh? Okay. The rest of you done? Now, look at this. Hannah. So, without calculator, you have to do like this. Same, remember last week I taught you? 再看一下 14 plus what? Okay, no need to draw the box. You can put bracket, yeah? 14. Okay. 其实你应该知道了, you already know 14 plus 0, is it 14? But to show the solution, I didn't write, is it plus one, right? So you shift this to the right. Become what? 加变什么？减哦 becomes minus, okay? Plus becomes minus, then 0. Got it? Cannot. B no need to shift because it's already behind, okay? It's already the equal there. So anything times 0, 0. Anything times 0, 0. Cannot. So for B, direct to tell 0. And for C, same thing. Anything times 1 will back to the same, is it? This one, direct. Yeah, direct, you can tell, okay? Or you can do like this, see, yeah? What times 1 is negative 42? Times, if you shift to the right, it's divide. 乘变除. Anything divide 1, is it back to itself? Got it? 明白吗? Then 这个呢也是不用搬 this one no need to shift. Negative, negative, just like I said, when meet together. Hey, when meet together, how? Yeah, positive, right? Negative, 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 when meet together, positive. Or you can write put plus pun boleh. 知道吗? Wait, okay, you see E. 看 E 先啊. 37 plus what is 0? 来，再听一下. 37 here, is it plus one, right? You shift to the right, becomes what class? 减 no? Minus. 0 minus 37, negative 37. 看到吗? Got what I mean? So next time, okay, class, next time you see the same. If 1 mark, If question given 1 mark 看好来啊 sorry So if question given 1 mark, you can go direct. 14 plus what is 14? 0. Anything times 0? 0. If times 1, back to itself. 现在 negative, negative, positive. 这边你注意啦 Can you see positive 37? So if here 0, right, you tell negative 37. See, negative 1 plus 1, you tell 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. 一个加一个减同样的号码就是0。Got it? Okay, so can you understand? This is how I show you. But for this question, class, 这种习题你不用这样写了 understood 了，所以我直接写这样给你 you just fill the box there will do. OK， 来直接填就可以了。这种 questions just fill the box there will do. That's why when I explain, when I haven't asked you to write, you don't write yet 啦 because sometimes what I need you do not know yet. 明白了没有？直接填就可以了。只是教你 the way, the concept of how we shift. Got it? 明白吗？Okay, class. If A times B is 0, if B is 9, 看到吗 ？B is B is 9 9 times what is 0? Hey, 9 times what is 0? 0 10 times 0, 0. 100 times 0, 0. 21 times 0, 0. Negative 1 times 0, 0. 明白吗？I repeat, okay, see A 乘 B 是0吗 ？A times B 0, right? If B is 9, okay, I write here. To show you See? If B is 9, 9 times what is 0? 0, right? 看到吗 ？0 what? Anything times 0 will be 0, so A will be 0. That's what I mean. Okay, just fill the box there. 只是 fill 那个 box 就可以了哈 Fill the box there. Got it, all of you? Okay, next. Okay, we go number 2. Understand all of you until here? Before that, is it okay? So class, before I go number 2, I want you to understand the situation here. 这种number 1 14 plus 0 is 14 times 0 like that one, right? 这种 concept, you write down beside here. Like guys? See, okay, 这边you write down this is the law of what? 这边第一题的旁边 write down identity law. 因为习题会问你的 question will ask you, what is the law that using here? This law, we call it identity law. 什么是 identity law 呢 Okay, so you write down identity law somewhere there and find some space to write the meaning of identity law. 在旁边写下来，因为这个会考来 A plus 0 is, right? A plus 0 is A, yes. 明白吗 A plus 0 is A. Got it? Okay, 看这个这个A plus negative A. 1 positive, 1 negative. What did you get? 0. Got it? Next, anything that times 1. A times 1 is A. Anything that times 0 is 0. Yes, copy this. This 4 we call what? Identity law. Why I asked you to copy this? Came up before they write any one of it, ask you what is the law that use? 用什么 law? So you tell identity law. Got what I mean? Yeah, might ask you the law that related. So 他会问你用什么 law 来做，你讲 identity law. 明白了没有？看到吗？ Copy somewhere, please. 这4个 formula is identity law. Copy on your exercise book or wherever. That's why I ask you prepare one exercise book. 不要用那个 loose paper because yeah, from chapter 1 to chapter 13, a lot of solution that you have to write. 明白了没有？ Get ready. You advise to buy long 那个 science notebook 啦，长的买长的。Okay, done doing this class? 写完了没有 or still doing? Okay, one more, number 2. Later, number 2, I tell you which law. 还有不同的 law 啊。Okay, class, we see all of you done. Can I go number 2? Christian, done, Anna? Can I class? Look at number 2. 3 plus 17, same as 17 plus? 1加2是不是等于2加1 1 plus 2 is it equal to 2 plus 1? 3 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 3. 3 plus 13 equal, 3 plus 17 equals 17 plus 3, yeah. See? 8 times negative 15, same as negative 15 times 8, yes. Okay? So, take note of this, the multiplication one. Yeah? So, 注意 for 这个啦 just 换位罢了 So, this one we call it what, you know? This we call it commutative law. Can write somewhere. For number 2, 你要写在这边也可以 up to you, or find some space. This is commutative law. Commutative law. Commutative law means, can write somewhere also, A plus B same as B plus A. A times B same as B times A. So this we call it commutative law. Okay, copy this also. 它会用 unknown 来问你. Sometimes in exam they will use MN, PQ, RS, AB to ask you. Got it? Clear now, all of you? Later I'll let you rest. We continue first. Same, number 13 also commutative law. Can I have your answer? Banana. 3A. What did you get 3A? Quite simple, kan? P plus 6 is 47. Now, P plus 6. Is it same as 6 plus P? Right? So 6 plus P is what? Yeah, 47. Yes, just write down 47 here, it will do. It's okay. 这些写下来可以了。Got it? 明白没有啊？写下来啊 Write down, please. Okay, now what about here? 6 times Q, 13. Q times 6? Yeah, 13. What law is this? Commutative law. This is what we call commutative law. Got it, all of you? Yeah. Okay, can you try number 4? Then after that, only I let you rest. Try number 4. This is also commutative law, yeah? Just fill the box there. 填下去就可以了。Should be okay, right? Can I have the first number? 9 plus 6 plus 10, same as 9 plus 6. Same. Negative 13 times 4 times? Fine. It's the same. Here, na? Wait, one more. Number 5, one more. Sorry, one more. 很简单吧 one more. Just write the answer here will do. Very simple, right? What is the answer for A? Yeah, 24. Then follow only one, right? It's the same, right? 24. What is the answer for B? Yeah, negative 80. Got it? Okay, rest for 5 minutes. 休息5分钟。